So hi everyone, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation, you can say YouTube channel for Civil Mechanical XD YouTube, right channel. So hi Arun, good evening. Am I audible and visible to all of you? Just let me know in the comment box and also share this video with your friends. Today we are going to talk about fluid mechanics and transportation questions, right? I hope you all are doing great. ठीक है सर. So let me tell you about Ground Zero. Ground Zero is a series for you all in which we make innovative videos, recorded videos for basics to advanced level, right? For 24 examination for civil and mechanical both branches. Nagesh, hi, good evening. Yes, in today's session we will be only talking about 10 questions, right? Because we have discussed a lot of more like in previous videos also, and more are coming, but not in just BARC but for GATE also they are going to be important. Please share this video with everybody and then we'll start. Okay, hit the like button guys. जैसे ही आप ज्वाइन करते हो लाइक का बटन भी आप दबा सकते हो. सीधे क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम. आई विल टेक लेस टाइम ऑफ योर्स and I'll give you all the questions that I have, right? Okay, good evening everybody. So here's the first question and it is obviously from fluid mechanics. So let's say what are they what they say here. Okay, Nagesh, thank you so much. आप पे जो वीडियो क्लास है वही वाला, यस, जो बर्नौली से क्वेश्चन वीडियो बनाया था मैंने और कैविटेशन वाला वीडियो बनाया था मैंने. These are the videos which I have made for Ground Zero, right? And similar videos are being made by other faculty members also for you. Now, here's the first question, guys. Try to answer this question. So, an imaginary curve in a space such that tangent drawn to it at any point gives the direction of velocity of that particular point is known as streamline. Streamline and equipotential line are streamline and equipotential lines are perpendicular to each other. Streamlines is drawn for a particular instant of time. There can be flow across the streamline. Can you please quickly answer, guys? Here they are saying we need to see this very carefully. They are saying we need to tell the incorrect statement. Incorrect. So I think this is correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, and this one is the incorrect. So for this the answer is going to be option D beta. Okay, option D. Option C is correct, right? Option C is correct. We need to answer the incorrect option. Next question. An oil of viscosity 0.5 Newton second per meter square and relative density 0.6 is flowing through a circular pipe of dia 40 centimeter and length is 500 meter. The average velocity of the oil is 2 meter per second. Determine the pressure drop in a length of 500 meter. Everyone, you can I think answer this question very easily. All the values are given to you, such as the length is given to you as 500 meter, right? Viscosity is also given, dynamic viscosity, as 0.5 Newton second per meter square or Pascal second. Relative density is given, right? How much it is, G is given to you as 0.6. What else is given? Dia of pipe is 0.4 meter, correct? And average velocity, U average, is also given as 2 meter per second. All we need is the drop in the pressure. Guys, if you remember this, we have found out this, na, circular pipe, flow through pipe, there was a relationship of pressure drop. It was 32 mu UL by D square, if you remember this. Correct? Hagen-Poiseuille also we call it, Hagen-Poiseuille. So if you want, you can check it if there is a laminar flow or not. I know this is laminar, that's why I am not checking it. So it is 32 into dynamic viscosity is 0.5 into average velocity is 2 meter per second, length is 500 meter, divided by dia. Dia is how much? Dia is 0.4, so 0.4 square. I want this answer in kilonewton, so 10 raised to the power minus 3 also I'll multiply. How much is it? Quickly calculate and tell me. Nagesh, Arun, guys, please tell me quickly in the comment box. और सभी वो लोग जो मुझे देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, How much is this on solving? Quick, everyone. 100? Okay, 100 kilonewton per meter square, which is option B. Very well. Next question, please. So the question says that the a laminar fluid flow of viscosity, okay, again the viscosity is given to you 0.8 Newton second per meter square. Specific gravity is given to you as 1.3, is flowing through a circular pipe of dia 150 mm. Very well. Pressure gradient, okay, del P by del X or dP by dx is given to you minus 7848 Newton per meter square per meter. What is the average velocity they are asking? So, do I have any relationship here between all this data that I have, everybody? See, since this is a question of flow through circular pipe, so flow through circular pipe, there is a very well-known fact that the average velocity na is how much? It is half of maximum velocity, correct? And when I say maximum, what is that? It is 1 by 4 mu minus by dx into r square. I think I have all the values. Just put the value and get the answer. अब वो वाला सवाल रह गया ये. Simple सा आपके सामने डेटा है. Put the data and get the answer quickly. I'll write down. So they are saying we have dynamic viscosity as how much? First of all, it will go inside. It will become 8 mu. So it is 1 upon 8 into 0.8. It is 7848. And this is r square, means 0.075 square. On solving, this should be 6.9 meter per second, which is option A. Correct, sir? I hope there is no doubt in this. Moving on to the next question. A driving motor of a pump is 200 kilowatt. The pump discharges 450 liter per second of water at a total head of 30 meter. The efficiency of the pump is how much? Quickly. Efficiency you have to find out, correct? So efficiency is nothing but it will be output upon input into 100. Correct? Input power is given 200 kilowatt. Output you have to find out. How to find out output? Total head is given, discharge is given. Quickly. Output is going to be gamma q into corresponding head. Okay, so from here gamma is nothing but it is 9.81 kilowatt I want, right? Into discharge will be how much? It will be 0.4 meter cube into h is 30. On solving, output is going to be how much? It should be 132.45. Let's put the value here. 132.45 by 200 into 100, and it would be 66.2%, which is option D. Very well. Superb. Next question. A turbine works at 20 meter head and 400 rpm speed. Its 1:2 scale model to be tested at a head of 20 meter should have a rotational speed of nearly how much? मॉडल का आपको स्पीड बताना है, रोटेशनल स्पीड. Easy है. It is very simple if you see it. Good. So for your similarity, correct? For very good. For similarity, we know that GH by wait GH by n square d square for model should be equals to prototype. But for same head only we are talking about, correct? Same head only. So for same head we know will be equals to NPDP, right? dp by dm means length scale ratio is given to us as 2. ये 2 दिया ही है, so nm will be equals to np, that is 400 into 2, 800 rpm, which is option C. Next question is from highway engineering. So bitumen is a thermoplastic material obtained by the fractional distillation of natural organic material. Bitumen shows more resistance to weathering action as compared to tar. Free carbon content is more in bitumen. Cutback is obtained by increasing the viscosity of the bitumen. We need to tell which option is correct out of these four. Everybody? Out of these four, which option is correct? So bitumen is obtained through crude oil. Fractional distillation is correct, but crude oil. It is correct. Free carbon content is less in bitumen. It is more in tar. Cutback is used to decrease the viscosity, sorry. Correct? This is also wrong. So B is the right option. Next, on a highway, it is recorded that 480 vehicle per hour crosses from a highway location. Assume that the vehicle arrived at the location as per Poisson distribution. What is the probability of one vehicle arriving over a 30-second time interval? One vehicle. Answer please. Probability of n number of vehicle passing in t time is lambda t power n e raised to the power minus lambda t by n factorial. So get the value. So probability of one vehicle crossing in 30 seconds will be lambda 480, right? But it is how much? It is vehicle per hour. We need to convert this in seconds. So 480 by 3600. So now it is in vehicle per second into 30 lambda t power 1, because one vehicle, e raised to the power minus lambda is 480 by 3600 into t is 30 divided by n factorial means 1 factorial. So how much it is? Please calculate. 480 by 3600. Yeah, what is the answer? Yes, it should be 0.073. Option A. Next question. Find out the number of sleeper required for constructing 540-meter rail track. Use sleeper density m plus 6. How much is the one rail length for broad gauge track? One rail length. It is 12 point 8 meter, correct? So in one rail, number of sleeper is how much? 12.8 plus 6 means 18.8, which is not possible. 19. So 19 are the number of sleeper we use in one rail length, correct? We need to find out for, first we need to see in 540 meter how many rail we will use. So 540 by 12.8, these are the number of rails that we will use in 540 meter length. So in one rail 19 sleeper are used. So into 19, you solve it and tell me how much it is. कितना ये 540 by 12.8, calculator I have missed, I think 540 by 12.8 into 19, 801, somewhere around 801 is coming. So closest option is 780, right? See what happened is 789 आ रहा है क्या? देखो, the thing is what people do generally, they take 540 by 13 here. See, if I take 13 here, see what will happen. 540 by 13 instead of 12.8. Then it is coming 789, right? But logically it should be 12.8 only, because we know in one rail we have 12.8 meter, correct? That is the thing. So chalo, even if we take 13, right, then also it is coming 789. तो 780 तो आंसर नहीं हो सकता. It can't be 780. I'm just talking, you can say conceptually. मैं अभी as per the question नहीं जा रहा हूँ. As per the question, answer will be 780 here only, because nearest इसके बाद सीधे 1000 है, 1000, and that is too much, right? So logically 780 should not be the right answer, but as per the demand of the question, 780 we can mark as the right option, because 1000 is too much then after that, because according to our calculation 801 तो is needed, ठीक है? तो चाहिए चाहिए, ऊपर जो करना करते रहो, करेक्ट सर? समझ रहे हो? सो conceptually answer should be 801 or more than that, but as per the demand of the question, 780 will be the right answer here. Next question again from railway. Broad gauge railway track of having turnout 1 in n, what will be the length of curve lead for curved tongue rail? Easy question, please answer. Direct question. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. या 2GN. Next, single lane highway has a traffic density of 40 vehicle per kilometer. If the time, speed and space mean speed is 40-30, the average headway between the vehicle is how much? It's a good question. बताइए सर. And I think this is the last question also. As I told you, I will not take your much time. Okay, one answer we have got. Okay, so how much is the density? 40 vehicle per kilometer. Speed, the space mean speed, 30 kmph. So how much is going to be the volume? 40 into 30, means 1200. Correct. We know that should be equals to 3600 by HT. So HT would be, which is 3 seconds. So time headway will be 3 seconds. Right. So these were the questions which I had for you in today's class. I hope you have learned something new from today's session. Now I'll take your leave and will bring more questions in the next session. Till then, please take care of yourself and please take care of your family. If you have any doubt, you can put that doubt in the comment section and I will reach out to you and I will let you know the answer to that question. Thank you so much for joining the session, everybody. Have a nice day and good night. Take care. I'll send the PDF in my group, Civil by Ninja Sir, the Telegram group. Okay? Chaliye sir. Bye bye. Take care.